Hello everyone, this is Martynas Solovejus and that's my project Foyer of Reutov, Vision of a Walkable City. Reutov is a small town on the eastern side of Moscow, and it also acts as a connection hub between Moscow and the rest of the country via Tran Siberian railway system that passes through it. And it happens so that this railway system is dividing the city into three distinct parts: the old part, the scientific facilities that are related to space programs, and the new living quarter in the south. All the districts connected rather poorly, and in order to get from the metro connection in south to the factory that is our site location, it actually takes around 12 minutes by car, and walking distance is as long as 17 minutes, and there is no bridge, only a mere underground connection. So this creates a problem and solution to the project. The urban concept for the project is to create a cultural recreational access. As somebody who arrives from the metro would go all the way to the factory and bump into a cultural object every 5 minutes, but the only problem is that the middle of this recreational area is divided by the railway. So we solve it by introducing a building that acts as a bridge and connects the two separated main areas of the city. In this way, we come across two urban conditions. So one is a bridge, and as Palladio has shown us, a bridge can be more than a bridge. It can have a program of its own, and at the same time, since it's a hub or a gate to Moscow, it also acts as an arc or a portal. So it's a place of ambition or a vision. So here comes the concept that culture, the cultural centers, that culture can act as a bridge, and so the building is conceived as a bridge that has an additional program of cultural center, while the transition itself becomes a new center of the city, a portal, a place of ambition where the city represents itself and its ambitions. So here comes the material concept of the city, of the building. So the cultural part is clad inside and outside in light materials, more reminding of a flight or a plane, while the transition part is using dark materials, just like in a Soviet space shuttle. The black tiles were used for the parts that take exposed to the most heat. So the initial concept transferred to 3D turns into a master plan where a massive urban promenade is introduced, connecting metro to the cultural and green areas, and our building serves as a main bridge. So it takes you over the railways, and inside it offers you a variety of cultural programs. So there are concert halls and various dancing studios, library. So these are like small hidden spaces, while if you follow the graphically shown as red, the main path you end up in the top of the building that is the main foyer space, the representational space where people meet, and it also acts as a transition space, so it reminds a bit of an airport or a place of departure. So that's the presentation and the building